Good morning, everyone. Now it's your EVS class time. We are going to do exercise of this chapter. What we have completed, the name of the chapter is Our School. We have completed all the things about school, what we have learned in school, what we do in school, why we are coming to the school, which type of friends do you make in school, and you can clean the school, throw garbage in dustbin, what moral values, ethics, and anything you can learn in the school. So why you are coming to the school? For getting knowledge and explore about new things, learning new language. In this type of things you can do in school. That's why school is must. Nowadays you are staying at home. I think everybody is feeling bored. Am I right? Everybody is feeling bored now. So that's why school is needed. School must be open. School must be open. In school, you can come, you can play with your friends, you can make new friends, you can talk with your friends, you can obey your teachers and parents' order, and you have to play on swings. You can take dance class, music class, so many activities when you are coming in school you can do. So now we are going to do exercise of chapter number 3. Exercise of chapter number 3. First one is true false. First one is true false. A part, write T for true or F for false. आपको क्या लिखना है? You have to write down T for true and F for false. First one they have given. Kindergarten school is meant for very young children. Again, I am repeating. Kindergarten school is meant for very young children. Is it true or false? Kindergarten और play school कौन से बच्चों के लिए होता है? Very small बच्चों के लिए होता है ना. Very small kids जाते हैं. छोटे छोटे बच्चे, then they can play, they can enjoy rides on the bicycle and on swings. So this type of activity they can do in kindergarten school. So it is true. It is true. Next one is second one. We learn how to solve problems in school. We learn how to solve problems in school. हम स्कूल में क्या लर्न करते हैं? प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना सीखते हैं ना, कैसे प्रॉब्लम हम, इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो इट इज ट्रू. इट इज ट्रू. थर्ड वन. आफ्टर प्राइमरी स्कूल a boy or a girl goes to school. After primary school, a boy or a girl goes to school. Primary school, when you have completed your primary school, then you will go to college? No, I don't think so. You can go in higher school. You can go in high school. So it is false. It is false. Next one is school usually have a zoo. स्कूल में चिड़ियाघर होता है, जू होता है? नहीं होता. स्कूल में तो क्या होते हैं? स्विंग्स होते हैं. देन क्या होती हैं आपके लिए? म्यूजिक रूम होता है, देन डांस रूम. दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स यू आर हैविंग इन स्कूल. जू तो होता ही नहीं. जू के लिए क्या हो चाहिए? हमें बहुत बड़ा प्लेस चाहिए. दैट्स वाई यू आर नॉट सेइंग दैट. So it is false. It is false. Next one, go to B part. Go to B part. Filling the blanks using the correct words. Filling the blanks using the correct words. First one is Rita is 7 years old. Rita, how many years old? I think आप जितनी होगी ना. Rita is only 7 years old. She is maybe on second or third class. She goes to a. अब आप कौन से स्कूल में जाते हो? You are going to प्राइमरी स्कूल. यू आर गोइंग टू प्राइमरी स्कूल. सो रीटा भी कौन से स्कूल में जाएगी? शी ऑल्सो गोज टू प्राइमरी स्कूल. सो टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. राइट डाउन प्राइमरी ओवर हेयर. PRIMARY. प्राइमरी स्कूल. नेक्स्ट वन इज डैश. सोशल साइंस और साइंस teaches us about plants, animals, universe and how things work around us. So what thing tell us about plants, animals, universe, other things which are around us, which are present in our surrounding? Which subject tell us? Yes, very good. Science tells about all the plants, animals, universe and other things which are present in our surrounding. It is science subject. It is science subject. Next one, third one. In school we learn to dash when others speak. School में हम क्या सीखते हैं? We learn to listen. When two people are speaking, we have to listen them carefully. जब दूसरे बात करें तो हमें उनको क्या करना है? सुनना है. We should not speak in between when people are speaking. Next one, C part. Answer these questions in brief. Answer these questions in brief. हमें क्या करना है इन क्वेश्चंस के? You have to write down the answers in your book. Then tomorrow we will do in notebook. Why do children go to school? Why do children go to school? हम स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं? हम स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं? Answer is children go to school for getting knowledge. Children go to school for getting knowledge. That's why we are coming to school, to get knowledge, to solve a problem, also attain new knowledge, acquire new things, and about we can also say that we can make friends. So many things we can do in school. Next one, name the different types of school at a child goes to in his life as a student. जब क्या होते हैं, हम स्टूडेंट होते हैं तो अपनी एंटायर लाइफ में हम कौन कौन से स्कूल्स में जाते हैं. You have to write down the names of all the school. We have already learned in this chapter. First school is when you are young one, you can go in kindergarten school. And when you are 6 or maybe 7 years old, you can go in primary school. And after that, you can go in higher school. And at the age of 18 or above 18, you can go to college. You can go to college. So write down 4: kindergarten, second one primary, third one high school, and fourth one is college. Next one, name 3 subjects you can learn in your school. क्या बताना आपको? You have to write down 3 subjects name you can learn in school, जो आप स्कूल में learn करते हो. First one, I think your favorite one is English. It's English. ENGLIS, English. Second one is Hindi. Second one is Hindi. And third one is maths. Third one is maths. Next one. So they are the question you have to write down in your book. No need to do this work in notebook. I'll tell you whatever you have done in notebook. I'll tell you. Understood everyone? Next, D part. The Taj Mahal is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Which subject teaches us about the location of various monuments and places? I think we have done today, we have done proper noun, and proper noun mein what we have seen? We have seen Agra, na? Yes. We have seen Taj Mahal in Agra. So this is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is also proper noun. क्योंकि क्या है? We are talking about a particular place. We are talking about special place. So that's why it is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. And कौन सा subject बताता है? All the monuments और places के बारे में. That subject name is social science. That subject name is social science. So today's class is over and you have to complete this work. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.